Today I am discussing about the basic technology Arduino basic tutorial as you can see in this video. Hello everybody, I am from Bangladesh representing Motor College. Today I am writing a very basic tutorial. Step 1, what is an Arduino? Arduino is an open source hardware development board which uses an AVR microcontroller as its main controlling unit. Arduino is generally used for making embedded electronics or robotics projects. Arduino is the best product for the newbies to learn about the basics of embedded electronics and robotics. Step 2, Arduino board and installation. Before starting work with Arduino, we need an Arduino board. There are many kinds of Arduino boards, namely Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega, Arduino Nano, Arduino Duo, Arduino FIO, etc. But I guess Arduino Uno is the best board for learning the basics. For uploading or written codes in Arduino board, we have to download the Arduino IDE from its website. I am providing the link. After completing the installation process, with the help of this, we can use very easily and smart contracts with the help of this and today I am discussing about with the system and step 3 Arduino IDE as you can see in this video. Now I have less about the different parts of the Arduino. It's the button for verifying to your written code on your going and upload the Arduino board. It's the button of uploading your code and the Arduino board. This is for opening a new unit. This is for opening your previous codes. This is for saving your code. Step 4, parts of Arduino programming. In this step, we will learn about the different parts of the Arduino program. The code which we will write in the first part, we will run by Arduino only for one time. Let us take an example. If we want the number 13 pin of the Arduino as output, then we will create pin mode 13, and on the other hand we will have to write the code in the system and we can use very easily for the system. And step 5, Arduino. In this step, these are the digital pins and Arduino Uno. This is main AVR microcontroller with the Arduino system, and these pins powered pins into supplies with the help of the user. And step 7, I hope that you have been able to learn basic Arduino. You must keep practicing the Arduino mastering. If you are finding or mistake in my tutorial, then please advise me through my email or comment in the comment section if you want to. And if I got a good response in this tutorial, then I will make complete series tutorial on the basis of Arduino as you can see in this picture, and I can do it for all.